Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the volume does not contain a recognized file system error. Let's fix it without format or losing data. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And now you just need to open up File Explorer. And this is my USB drive letter F. In our case, it may be another letter. Just replace the X with your device USB letter, guys. In my case, F. After typing the F, copy the command and paste it in the command prompt and press Y in our keyboard and press enter. And I just need to wait for this to get done, guys. After getting this done, just close stuff here and your problem should be fixed, guys. Now we'll never get an error in our USB drive. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.